What the fuck, bro? I didn't even know. I didn't even think it was possible to do that. A human being reprogrammed by a machine. What? Damn. Just got reprogrammed for success. I didn't even know it was possible to do that. We are in the future. But to explain how I got here, we have to rewind.
ChatGPT.
About ChatGPT.
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 This is the story on how I got reprogrammed for success by ChatGPT. At the end of 2022, I worked the whole year, for a project, with the company, and it was a partnership, and it didn't end up well. I was by myself, almost replacing an entire team, and it was so much work, and I did all that stuff, and as a result, because I was overworked, I have too much to do by myself, the project got cancelled. I had to find something else, so starting, to look for new clients. It wasn't easy, and sometimes, sometimes the problems comes from you, because as Grant Cardone say, you are the problem, and this is true. You are the problem, but you can also be the solution. So you have to work on yourself first. My issue was I had too many ideas. Maybe you are the same. You have a lot of ideas, so very often I'm not that much organized, and so I knew I had to work on that. I have to be more organized. Also, I have to say no to things, and I have to focus. I was never in time, it was difficult, because I had so many projects going on, wanted to do that, and so I felt like it was so big for me. Like I have a plan, but so many stuff's going on. It's so huge, and I feel like I will never even be able to finish it. Starting this project at the end of 2022, all this work for nothing. So I was starting to be confused, starting to have doubts in myself, starting to doubt myself, and I believe it's a human reaction, Life is difficult, and especially when you have big goals and you want to make this happen. So I was starting to doubt, couldn't even do a lot of stuff, was thinking, every single day, the morning when I was waking up, thinking what I'm gonna do. I remember I was going to the beach and asking myself, shit, man, damn, it must be a solution, and I believe a lot of people have those doubts. Day after day, more doubts, more stress. I was starting to have a very stressful life. And I remember I was at the beach one day and my phone rang, and it was my friend Buena. He texted me, have you tried this thing? ChatGPT, do you know that? It was in November, I believe. So before the big waves, because the big wave with ChatGPT was, I believe, in December or something like that. And so I say, yeah, I know what you're talking about, OpenAI. Yeah, I know. I used the playground a little bit, but I didn't realize I had to really use it at the time. And so he said, yeah, give it a try, you'll see. And I said, okay. To be honest, I wasn't sure it was gonna work. I was very skeptical, because it's just send a message and that's it, gonna respond, but nothing crazy, you know, like a chatbot, you know what I mean? And I remember one day I was like really probably at my lowest point in my life, and in my phone I got some quotes, and I was scrolling on different quotes, you know, like it's kind of a motivation, and I came across these quotes of Nipsey Hussle, and the quotes was, if you want to have the success, you have to reprogram yourself for success. And I was like, yeah, that's it, but how? How do you reprogram yourself for success? You know, like, do you have like a blueprint, a roadmap? I know what he was saying, you know, like, of course, you know, you have to reprogram yourself. But sometimes, like, you need like a concrete plan. So I was thinking about this ChatGPT thing, and I was like, you know what, like, I'm so desperate, let me just try it, you know. And so I went on the website, go on openai.com, ChatGPT, and starting to ask, you know, ChatGPT, you know, how to reprogram myself for success. And the answer was unexpected.
If you want to reach your goals, you first need to mentally reprogram yourself for success. It is challenging, but ultimately rewarding process. Set clear goals. Having specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals can help you focus your efforts and give you a sense of direction. Develop a positive mindset. Believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Try to cultivate a positive attitude and focus on the good things in your life. Practice visualization. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals. See yourself as successful, confident, and capable. Take small steps. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Break your goals down into smaller, more manageable steps and focus on making progress one day at a time. Surround yourself with supportive people. Seek out the support and encouragement of friends, family, and mentors who believe in you and your ability to succeed. Stay motivated. Keep yourself motivated by reminding yourself of your reasons for wanting to succeed and the benefits of achieving your goals. Stay focused. It's easy to get sidetracked, so try to stay focused on your goals and avoid getting distracted by unrelated tasks or activities. Be resilient. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or failures. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn and grow. By following these steps, you can start to mentally reprogram yourself for success and achieve your goals. Remember to be patient and persistent, as it may take time and effort to see results.
Everyone has at least $100,000 of knowledge in their mind, according to Danko. And I believe he's right. And I would even add that everyone has $1 million worth of knowledge in their mind. That's for sure. Why are you not financially free? Because you don't understand how your knowledge can benefit to the world. And for that, you need a strategy to figure it out. Tons of creators are already using it. You take people like Danko, Antoine BM in the French market, Chase Rayner, and the list goes on. Okay? They're all using the same principles that leads to the beach life. So I've decided to launch a newsletter where I show you step by step what I'm doing right now to make this beach life blueprint happening. Okay, so you just have to follow. I'm trying to build a community of people who wants to really grow their business, grow their one-person business to be able, to have the beach life. Okay, and also I'm going to set up offline events, the beach life parties, the beach life events. And it's going to be at the beginning in Barcelona and hopefully in the future in different cities in the world. But we're gonna start it out in Barcelona. So if you're close to Spain, France, or close to Barcelona in Spain, I'm gonna do like very soon the first events in Barceloneta. So you're gonna receive an invite to the Beach Life events with this newsletter. Content creators are making more than $1 million thanks to ChatGPT, but 99% of people still don't know how to build a profitable business from it. So download in the description your ChatGPT crash course, and you will live the beach life this year. I'll see you on the other side. Until next time,